What's up gang? Today aku nak unboxing. I want to unboxing case. Alright, case C 2025 punya case C. Alright, yang aku dapat lah setakat ni kod EN EQ FX dengan FU. Alright, let's go. Kita buka case FU lah. Alright let's go. Buka case FU. Case FU case FU lah. Okay, let's go. Kita buka unboxing case FU. Let's go. FU tu belakang. Belakang banyak lagi. Tak apa. Siapa nak Roger? Boleh Roger. Okay gang, by the way, who want to buy Hotwheels factory seat sorry STH, you can check it out. You can send me an email and then we can do it some business with you if you interested with Lambo, STH, what STH, Audi, STH Hero, apa ni, this car, this new car. Alright, let's go. Open. Alright, let's go unboxing. Bismillah. Yo. Alright, okay gang, let's go. Potong saga bang. Gila, tak cakap dah. Jangan sabar, jangan gaduh nak beli potong saga. Nampak tu ada 2 biji tu potong saga tu bang. Tu bang. Alright. Okay, jom. Okay. Alright, check out. Aku tunjuk sikit-sikit Music on. Ada. Ya, jatuh pula dah. Okay, music on. Music kasih on. Music on. Lambat lah pula. Okay. Masterpiece. This is a masterpiece, mate. Oh, masterpiece. Aduh, jamban lagi. Air roller. Nice. Nice car. Nice car also. And then Saga lagi. Ambil kau. Tak sabar-sabar lah nak tunggu Saga kan. Tengok tu. Sekali dia keluar dua. Kesi. Aku dah cakap dah. Santai. Wow. Recolor Humvee bro. Recolor Humvee. Humvee recolor. Alright. Next. Next. Donut. I hate donut. I don't like donut. Okay, Subaru. We have Subaru here. 2 pieces. I think 2 pieces. Yes, 2 pieces. And then the legendary of Mercedes. Army green. Mercedes Benz 500E. Nice man. DT depan belakang. Okay gang. By the way, sorry. All Mercedes, all the design include detail decal in front and behind. All detail. All my collection out Mercedes all detail. Right, let's go next. Next. Jangan jatuh man. Aku tengok video ni. Janganlah malukan aku. Okay, let's go. Let's see, we have this one. Okay. Alright, we have Ford Mustang lagi. Nice piece. Nice piece man. Okay, next one. We have this one, 2 pieces. Right. Maserati bro. Supercar Where's the Maserati logo? Alright, Maserati. You see that? The logo? Maserati logo. Okay. Batman bro, new design, new design for Batman. Nice. Dodge Power Wagon. Right. Gang, from US, from UK, from another country, please do PM me, email me, or contact my TikTok. Yeah, I will put my TikTok in the bio. Alright, and then if you guys wanna buy it, let me know. Alright, okay, thank you. And I also put my Instagram. Alright, thank you gang. Yeah. Nice. Oh, nice man. Oh, Rod. Nice. Let's go next. Okay. Lagi. Oi, color Jaguar. Dia color Jaguar mat. 2 pieces. Ni apa ni? Ui, Valentine. Corvette Racer Valentine edition. Nice. Fantasi pun aku cakap nice. Okay, next. Not nice. Okay, second. Alright. Second. Alright, these 2 pieces like I told you before. 2 pieces Subaru. Alright, let's go. And then we have Mario. Mario 2 pieces or 1 pieces? Let me see. Oh, it is 1 pieces. Before that, case A, I think I already have 1 pieces, but kenapa case B dapat satu pieces? Takut aku buka case ni dapat 1 pieces. Alright, Mario. Alright, nice man. Gang, jangan jual RM10 gang Mario ni. Weh, ni naik harga nanti ni kalau kau peram ni mat. Baik kau peram je daripada kau jual RM10. Marah ni. Wow, nice car. Ni confirm ni nanti akan jadi kata racing car. Tu Moon Ice and Momo collab. Okay, you see that? Momo, Moon Ice. Yang tak tahu harga dia panggil letak je harga. Barang tak adalah barang rare. Barang ada harga kan? Tak dapat. No, not RTH. Okay, by the way, let me see first. Wait. Weh, gang! Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. First case. First case. Open first case. STH. Alhamdulillah. STH man. Okay. Okay, by the way, this is for STH case C 2025. I'm so happy right now, man. Oish, STH. Tak, sebab nampak, oh, bau pasal. Sebab tayar ni lain. Kalau tayar bukan STH, tayar tak lawa. Tapi kereta dia nampak macam tak itu shiny sangat lah, kan. STH mat, STH mat. Alright, let's go. Okay, alright, gang. Siapa nak beli? 300 setengah. Gurau-gurau, gang. Alright, okay, gang. My fellow follow. Macam aku banyak pula subscriber. Who want to buy? Let me know. I'm selling STH. Okay, let me show you. Oh, sorry for the fan. You see that? STH. A lot of STH. Okay, this one STH. Alright, let me know. Just let me know. STH mat. Alright, next. I'm so happy right now, man. Oh, 2 pieces of Maserati. Okay, next. Oh, by the way, RTH for case, this case is male it car. Male it. Let me see if I get one. Okay, next. Alright. Okay, DMC. 2 pieces. Nice one. Nice one. Alright, next. This one. Next. This one. Oh, I think I don't get it. I don't get the RTH. Gang. Aku tak dapat RTH. Dia agak STH je lah. Betul. Payment 2 pieces. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, gang. Thank you for watching, gang. Mantap ah. Thank you for watching, gang. Mantap lah, gang. Ui, dapat STH mat. Ambil gambar tu. Nak buat itu. Thank you, gang, for watching, gang. By the way, okay, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe me. Aku nak subscribe, gang. Tolong subscribe. Like, comment, share, and then yeah, you know the rules. If you want to buy, just let me know. Contact me. Alright, okay. And thank you. Assalamualaikum. Salam sejahtera. Allahu Akbar. Assalamualaikum. Allahu Akbar. Assalamualaikum. Terima kasih for watching. InsyaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Bye bye, gang. I will put down my TikTok, Instagram, email, FB, or kind of what is platform. You can contact me at my bio. Alright, gang. Bye bye.